Good day everyone. In this video, I will show you how to modify paragraph styles in Google Docs. This tutorial should be a very straightforward and really easy to follow tutorial, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Do not worry if you are a first timer, a beginner, or you're just in general not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Now, let's get started. Before proceeding with anything else though, please make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is completely up to date. This is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors along the process. Now, in this Google Docs file, as you can see, I have here a sample paragraph, which is also the paragraph I used for the tutorial of how to check grammatical errors and spelling errors on Google Docs, which, by the way, if you are interested on viewing that, you can check it out on the dedicated playlist compiling all of the Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel. Now, from here, I would like to change the paragraph styles of this paragraph right over here. Now, what I would like to do is to highlight this paragraph just by clicking and dragging across like so. Click and then drag across until the end of the paragraph. Or alternatively, if you would like to select all of the document, you can press Ctrl or Command for Mac users on your keyboard plus A. And as you can see, it highlights all the text on our document. Now, in my case, I would stick to highlighting it manually like so by clicking and dragging. And this is the paragraph in which I would like to change the paragraph styles off. And how do we do that? I want you to focus on this upper panel of our screen in which we can locate the different options to choose from as well as the different tabs. From the different tabs, I want you to select Format. Click on it once, and as you can see, it gives us tons of options that we can choose from. We got page numbers, headers and footers, columns, and many more. But in this tutorial, let us focus on the paragraph styles. From the paragraph styles, we have different options that we can choose from. Let's say, for example, the borders and shadings of this specific paragraph. We can add a border like so. Click apply. And now as you can see, there are borders within this paragraph, which makes it look like a text box. You can also adjust the border width, the dash. You can make it line, dotted, or whatever. The border color, and the paragraph padding of your border. Let's say, for example, I want it to be 3-point thick. Click apply. As you can see, it is now much more thicker. Now on paragraph styles, you can also change the heading and many more. Here, we can also change the border color of our paragraph styling. Let's say, for example, I want it to be a dark shade of blue. Click on that and click on apply. And as simple as that, we have changed the paragraph styles in Google Docs. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. From here, I'll see you guys next time and thank you for watching.